How to download UFL football on the PlayStation, Xbox and the PC. So let's get started. So first of all you have to go in this interface, that is uflgame.com. Now once you are in here, you have to click on this download now option that is in the top right corner, and from here you have two options. One is the PS5 and the second one is the Xbox. Now if you want to download it for the PS5, you have to click on it, and if you want to download it for your Xbox, you have to click on it. Now let's say if you click on the PS5, then you have this interface to add this to your wish list, and you just have to add it. So once the release date to be determined and it will release, then you are able to sign in to your PlayStation account and you have able to buy this. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.